So first thing first, you have to make sure that your oven is on. Okay. Then you're going to set the oven. Make sure your oven is on. Then it is zero. Then maybe let me just set it for like um 20 or 30 minutes. Then I'm setting this temperature to the oven temperature to 200. Now I'm going to open the oven because the oven is on now. You're going to put this on the side, just like this. You're going to put it on the side like this. Now it is at 50 below 50 degrees Celsius, which is 100 degree Fahrenheit. Sorry. So now I'm going to cover it, close it. What this oven temperature does is, if this 200, if this any temperature that it shows me, that like any temperature that it moves and stop and becomes stabilized, there is the actual temperature that this oven is working with. So probably you want to bake something, and then you put that thing inside the oven. Maybe your oven temp your the temperature that your oven came with is not giving you what you wanted. Maybe you are seeing that your cake is or whatever you are baking is kind of either not baking as you wanted it, or you feel like the temperature is not okay. Okay, so you have to put this oven temperature inside like this, hang it inside like this. So once you hang it inside, you close the oven. So once you close the oven, it will start reading. Any temperature that this oven thermometer is showing you is the actual temperature that you want. Assume that you want to bake at 180, you will see, or let me just say, assume you want to bake at 150, you see 150 here. So if this thing reads and reach at 150 degrees C, these small ones inside is Celsius, the ones bigger are Fahrenheit. So if it stops at this 150 here and it's not moving again further, that means that you are baking at 150. You understand? So if maybe you come back and see that it has started dropping, that means that the heat, you need to increase the heat of your oven again so that it will move back. If it starts going higher, that means that it has passed the 150 that you want. You reduce the heat of your oven so that it comes back to the temperature that you want. So now I'm going to close it. I will come back to it later. So after some time, after leaving it for some time, you see that the temperature now starts increasing and it got to 220 or thereabout. If you check, you will see that it got to about 220. So that means that the actual temperature of this oven for baking, for this oven at this moment, is 220. Now if you look, you see that my oven temperature is a little bit above 200, meaning that that 200 I was saying at the initial time isn't 200. That means that it's 220 that I actually set this oven. So